Welcome back, fellow explorers of the unknown. If you've made it here, then you're as curious as I am about the mind-bending connection between quantum physics and spirituality. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, pause this video, check it out, and come back because you're going to want to know how we continue from where we left off. But if you're ready, let's jump right back in. Time and space, are they just illusions?
Now let's talk about something truly mind-blowing: time and space. In quantum physics, the concept of time isn't as straightforward as we once thought. In fact, time can behave in strange and unexpected ways. For example, particles can exist in multiple places at once, and they can even travel backward in time under certain conditions.
This is where it gets truly mind-bending. What if I told you that time and space might be illusions? According to some interpretations of quantum theory, time and space are constructs of the human mind, not hard, objective truths. This is what ancient spiritual teachings have been saying for millennia. In spiritual traditions, time is often seen as cyclical and non-linear. In fact, many believe that the past, present, and future are all one, existing simultaneously in a higher dimension of reality.
Quantum mechanics challenges our very understanding of time and space, suggesting that everything is interconnected and transcends our perception of linear time. And guess what? Spirituality says something very similar. Maybe the moment we experience as now is just a fleeting part of an eternal present. Think about that. The present moment is more profound than we could ever imagine.
The observer effect is consciousness shaping our reality.
Next up is something that will really make you rethink reality: the observer effect. In quantum physics, particles behave differently when they are observed. This means that reality, at its core, is shaped by the consciousness that perceives it.
Let that sink in. Your very observation of the world is changing it at a fundamental level. What if this is exactly what spirituality teaches us? In many spiritual traditions, it's believed that our minds shape the world around us. The power of intention, thought, and perception influences how we experience reality. And according to quantum physics, it's not just a metaphor, it's a scientific truth.
In essence, when you focus your awareness on something, you bring it into existence in a certain form. So your consciousness doesn't just passively witness the world, it actively participates in the creation of it. In both quantum physics and spirituality, the universe is a living, co-created experience. The observer is inseparable from the observed.
The unified field, one mind, one universe.
Let's dive into the idea of the unified field, a concept at the heart of both quantum physics and spiritual teachings. In quantum mechanics, the unified field refers to the underlying energy field that connects all things. Everything in the universe is made of energy, and everything is interconnected by this invisible web of quantum forces.
Sound familiar? Spiritual traditions have talked about this for ages. In many ancient cultures, there's the idea of an underlying oneness to the universe, a single source of consciousness that all life shares. Whether it's called Brahman, the source, the divine, or the one, it's the same concept. Everything in the universe is connected by a single unified field of energy and consciousness.
Just as quantum particles are entangled, meaning they are fundamentally interconnected no matter the distance between them, we too are connected at a deep, energetic level. We are all part of the same unified field of consciousness. There is no separation, only connection.
The nature of consciousness, the key to unlocking the universe.
Now let's talk about consciousness itself. Quantum physics has a fascinating view of consciousness. Some physicists believe that consciousness is not just something that exists inside our minds. In fact, consciousness might be a fundamental aspect of the universe, influencing everything we observe at the quantum level.
What if the universe isn't just made of matter? What if it's made of consciousness? This is where things get really exciting. Both science and spirituality suggest that consciousness is the key to unlocking the mysteries of existence. Everything around us, from the tiniest particle to the vastness of the cosmos, might be infused with consciousness. And as we expand our awareness, we tap into the true potential of the universe. The quantum leap shifting to a new reality.
So, what does all of this mean for us? What does it mean for humanity and our place in the universe? Well, quantum physics and spirituality are showing us something profound. Everything is possible. The limitations we once believed were in place, whether physical, mental, or spiritual, are mere illusions.
It's time for a quantum leap. We are not just passive observers in this universe. We are co-creators, capable of shifting realities. Through expanding our consciousness, through deep spiritual practices, and through understanding the quantum nature of reality, we can transform our experience of the world. The universe is waiting for us to wake up, to step into our true power, and to become the conscious creators we were always meant to be. Now that we've cracked open some of the secrets of the universe, what comes next? There's so much more to explore. In Part 3, we'll delve deeper into how quantum physics and spirituality can actually change our everyday lives, how we can harness this knowledge for personal transformation. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and join me in the next chapter of this incredible journey.
Until next time, remember, you are not just a spectator in this universe. You are a creator. Keep exploring, keep expanding, and never stop questioning.